Good evening, teacher. This is my family. This is my family. This is my mother birthday celebration. In the first round are my children. My children. On the left is my son Martin. He is 12. His birthday is August 28th. He is very funny. He has many friends. Next to is Gabriel. Next to is Gabriel. He's 10. His birthday is December 19. Uh, Sometimes he's little shy. Uh, on the right, on the right is my daughter, my daughter Camila. Uh, she is um, she is 13. Her birthday is February 6th. She is really friendly. On second round, este, um, she is my wife. Her name is Andrea. Uh, she is 42. Uh, her birthday is July 4. In the between is my mother. Is my mother. She's she's for 18.4. She's 18.4. Yes, she is very happy and funny. On the right, and me, I am. My name is Martin. My name is Martin. I am 45. My birthday is July 13. I am very hard worker. Thank you, Miss.